Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my office, and today I have this. It's the Grillart, and it is a, what does it say what it is on there? It is a, well, it's a barbecue scraper basically. I don't know if it even says it on there. So that's what it is. So let's take a look and see how this is. Can I open it? Yeah. So I got this little scraper here. Here, I'll show you the little tag if you want to see that. So I got the scraper just because on my barbecue, it accumulates all the stuff, on the bars. But if you use just a regular brush, all you're scraping off is the top. I want to kind of get the sides too, so because otherwise you get that char stuff in between. So look at this little thing here. It's a cool little apparatus that they came out with, I guess, that does it, and it has for all the different shapes and sizes of the grills. I guess mine would probably be like maybe this size round one. But it's very comfortable to hold, and it's super hard, so it's not going to bend. I have stainless steel grates, so it's not going to really cause any problems with that. And I can just go on it and just swipe it down. I've actually used a similar one earlier, so I don't necessarily have to show you how it works. But you can kind of see the concept of it. It's pretty basic. It makes sense there. You can even see the little logo on it, if you see that there. And I'm going to put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourself. They sell them sometimes just as individual ones like this, or they sell them with a brush as well. I might put a link to the one with the brush just because I think it was pretty close to the same price, but had this and the brush too, which is kind of weird that they sell it separately or that. So maybe this even would attach to a brush. I don't know, but that's it. And it comes with this little keychain thing, which I am very poor at putting together. There we go, got it together. So it makes it a little easier to hold, I guess. Or I can just hang it up. I'll probably hang it up next to my barbecue. There you go, even better. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description, but be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And here's kind of some of the instructions here. It's got some different methods for, that's for just returning it if you want to return it. If you have a problem with it, they come with a little card with instructions for it. So there you go. But I like it. Cool, it does what I hopefully need it to do. I got a new house and I want to keep that barbecue clean, and it's just such a pain using that brush all the time. So like that, so I scrape each bar, got about 20 bars, and then 20 times it's done. I like it. So thanks for watching, and subscribe and like, and links in the description. Bye everyone.